Welcome back to Tiny Apartment Gardening, where I garden in a tiny apartment. Today, my worms have arrived. So, I already did a video showing you setting up their habitat and using coconut fiber and basically what my plan is, but they're actually here. So, I'm just going to open this. There's a little invoice. Let me, Caution, worms have been genetically modified, will get out and destroy you, your family, your culture, your world. Use at own risk. I'm sure it's fine. We're just going to go ahead and open these. So I ordered them online. You can find them a lot of times from local people who are doing worm composting themselves, who are just giving them out for free. I actually found some of that somewhat close, but far enough away that by public transport, which is what I mostly use, it would be a bit of a hassle. I'm going to use gloves. You really don't have to, but I have a cut on my hand, and the idea of like having to clean that out after having worms and soil in it just doesn't sound so great. So, I ordered 100 grams, which I think I've said in my last video is really nothing. Okay. So, yeah, compost worms, 100 grams. That's how they came shipped. It's kind of funny. And I've already said they hate light, so it might be kind of hard to find them in the packaging, but I'll do my best. I have the red crawlers. Ignore the pterodactyl. Sorry, I went back in time and got a pet pterodactyl, so, you know. So red crawling compost worms. Oh, yeah, here they are. Here's some. Whoa. Here's. So, as you can see, they're awake now. I'm just going to go ahead and put them in. Just going to dump it out entirely, really. Let them get comfy in their new environment, and not really going to touch them anymore, so I'm just going to take these gloves off, and they are all in there. Alright, so I'll show you from the top. So yeah, this is my start of my compost then, so I'll do an update later, and I'll show you when I feed them, but I'm going to let them get used to their habitat first, so. Alright, that's all for today. Bye.